Good morning, students. Today, I'm going to explain to you how to draw a graph on a graph paper. So in the previous video, we had seen the basics of what is a graph, what are its axes. So we have to remember, we have to write the axis also. So this is your y-axis, this is your x-axis, okay? Now this is your origin. So wherever there is an origin, put it at 0. Now we are going to do exercise 11.2 B question. Now very carefully listen to it. In this it is asked, draw a bar graph to represent the production of different food grains. And the scale is told to be 1 unit is equals to 500 kg. So remember to write the scale always. So you have to write it scale 1 unit is equals to 500 kg and put it in a box. This is important. If this is not written, your answer would be wrong. Write it carefully. Is equals to 500 kg. Now, next thing, now 500 kg. So it is number. So the quantity will come in the y-axis because I had told you the number. Anything that includes number or which will be calculated, that would come in the y-axis, and the food grain, different types would come in the x-axis. So because 1 unit is 500, I told you in the previous thing that this from this point to this point, this is known as 1 unit. So what is the value given to for 1 unit? It is, yes, 500 kg. So remember, this would be 500. The next unit, this is again 500 unit. You will add 500 to this, the previous unit. 500 plus 500, 1000. Next is 1500. Next is 2000. Next is 2500. Next is 3000. Next is 3500. Next is 4000. You have to do it until you have to see till which number does it have and do one more extra to it. Okay. Now, what is this? Just see in that thing, it is quantity. So write here quantity. It will help people understand what have you done. And what is this? What is this 500, 1000, 1500, 2000 and everything? These are not number of toys or something. These are in kg. So write in bracket in kg. Otherwise, we will have to write it in everything and it will consume more space. And because it is going from down to up, make an arrow like this, like we show directions. Now just see, what are we going to show in the x-axis? Food grains. So write food grains here. And because it is going from left to right, make a ray like this or an arrow like this. This is a basic thing that you have to do. Now comes the drawing of it. Remember that the space between each bar should be same. So if this is 1 unit, okay, the width of each bar should be 1 unit. If you're taking 1 unit, if you're taking 1 bar to be 2 unit, so every bar should be of 2 unit. And the difference also. So you will leave the first one. Okay, you will leave the first one. So we are leaving the first one here. And we are drawing in the second one. So the first is the rice and it has 3000. Let's see. We are drawing. We start from the 0. We take up till 3000. And can you see this mark? It is not here. You have to go to 3000. You see this one? This, yeah. One more time. Just see, you have to fill this entire thing. Okay, it should, mine is also a bit wrong there. Okay, so this happened. So this full one quantity is done. Now, next is wheat. Now remember, did you see I had left one unit full? So again, you have to leave one unit. Okay, then you have to do the next one, wheat. Wheat is of 3,500. Let's take some other color. 3,500. See, not here. It should be fully completed like this. Okay, now for maize, it is 1,000. So again, leave one unit and then start. No, it's not right. Yes, it should start from 0 itself. See, not up, not down. It should be touching this, and it should be touching this also. It goes like this. And because I don't have the other one, I'll just leave this 1 unit and draw it for you. Now it comes 2,000. This is an approx, but you will have the graph, so it will give you the exact thing. It's almost the same. No, it's not the same now. 1 minute. Draw it accordingly. Okay, it's a small graph, that's why it has not been included in this. So it goes like this. Okay, so now you have to mention the different types of different food grains that is there. Either you can write below this, or you can write here. So you can write here also, right? You can write it rice, then we have wheat, then we have maize, then we have pulses. So this is your complete graph. Understood? Thank you.